Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Just an 11-piece jigsaw. Difficulty level of the Just an 11-piece jigsaw is 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 11 jigsaw parts into the frame. So first of all, I will remove all the parts from the frame, including these two parts on a side. And now let's try to peg them back inside the frame. So I'll start with, there are numbers on each of 11 parts, and I'll start with piece number 8. I'll put it right here. Piece number 11 goes next, and I have to flip it like that. And the next one will be piece number 9, I guess, and I have to put it with the number 9 facing down. The next one will be 10, and it goes with number 9 together. Then I have to grab the piece number 7, this is it, and put it in the corner. The next one will be piece number 6. I have to flip it with the number facing down. Then I grab the piece number 1, again flip it so that the number will be on the other side. Now we have to fit the rest of the parts, which looks totally insane and impossible. So the piece number 2 goes here. Already you can see that it goes a little bit in a weird way. Then we grab number 3 and put it right here. And it's supposed to fit nice and tight into here. Oh, the piece number 9 actually supposed to be flipped like that. And then it gives me enough room for to put these parts. As you can see, just a small detail, but it makes so much difference. The piece number 4 goes here, and we have only one piece left. It is piece number 5, and it fits right in here, very tight, and the puzzle is solved. If you like the Just an 11-piece jigsaw puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.